Standard 10th, Chapter 1, Historiography, Development in the West. Dear students, today I am going to give you the markings of the question answers of Chapter 1. So I want you all to have a pen and be ready with your textbooks. We'll go to page number 6. Question number 1a. Choose the correct option from the given options and complete the sentences. The first one. It may be said that Dash was a founder of modern historiography. The answer is Voltaire. Second blank. Dash wrote the book entitled Archaeology of Knowledge. The answer is Michel Foucault. Next, the B1. Identify the wrong pair in the following. Correct it and rewrite. Please cancel. Correct it. Identify the wrong pair and rewrite it. Add it. So there are 4 pairs given to us. The wrong pair is the 4th one. Karl Marx, Discourse on the Method. Why it's wrong? Because Karl Marx has written the book Das Kapital. And here they're given Discourse on the Method. So that's a wrong pair. Question number 2. Explain the following concepts. The first one, dialectics. Now for this answer, I want you all to go to page number 4. So let's go to page number 4. So the answer is here in the box, left hand side, yellow color box. First line, first point. According to Hegel, this is your first point. According to Hegel, grasping the meaning of any event happens in 2 direct opposites. This is the first point. Second one, human mind cannot understand the true nature of that event without understanding the opposites. For example, true, false, good, bad, etc. Second point. Third, in order to understand the true nature of a thing, one needs to know both true, false, similarly good and bad. That's your third point. Then fourth one. This method of analysis, which is based on opposites, is known as dialectics. So 4 points. That is answer 2.1. Okay. Now next. The second one. Annales School. Now Annales School answer is on page number 5. Just go to page number 5, children. Here, left hand side, first paragraph. First line, first point. At the onset of the 20th century, a new school of historiography arose in France, which is known as Annales School. That's your first point. Second, Annales School gave a new direction to history writing. Second point. Then third one, it was recognized now that history is not only about political events, kings, leaders, and accordingly politics, diplomacy and wars, but also about the climate, local people, agriculture, trade, means of communication, okay, social divisions in their collective psychology, etc. in the historical times. Till here, till historical times. So answer comprises of 3 points in totality. Annales School. Okay, so that's answer 2.1. Okay, children. That's answer 2.2. Sorry, 2.2. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 3. First one. Explain the following with its reasons. Question number 3. First one. Historical research was driven to focus in depth on various aspects of women's life. Okay. The answer to this question is on page number 5. So we'll go back to page number 5. Last paragraph, page number 5. Last paragraph, Feminist Historiography. Did you all get it here? Okay. So first point is the first line. Feminist historiography means the restructuring of the history from the perspective of women. That's your first point. Second, the writings of Simone de Beauvoir helped in establishing the fundamentals of feminism. Second point. Second point, continuation. She was French. Okay. So this full thing is your second point. Now third point. The feminist historiography emphasized not only on the inclusion of women in history but also on the rethinking of the male dominated perspective of history. So that's third point. Fourth one, it drove historical research to focus in depth on various aspects of women's life such as employment, role in trade union, institutions working for their cause, family life, etc. And the fifth and the last point, in the historical writings after 1990, women were portrayed as an independent social class till here. Okay, till social class. So that is answer 3.1 5 points. Okay. Now we'll go to 3.2. 3.2. Foucault called his method the archaeology of history. Now this answer is on page number 5. 3.2 is again on page number 5. So we'll go to page number 5. Right hand side, first paragraph. Okay, can you see here? Michel Foucault. The answer is counter lines, children, from the top. First, second, third, fourth. The fourth line. He in his book. Cancel he. In place of he, write Michel Foucault. Michel Foucault in his book Archaeology of Knowledge argued that the prevailing practice of arranging historical events in a chronological order is not right. That's your first point. Second, he drew attention to the fact that archaeology does not strive to reach the ultimate historical truth but attempts to explain various transitions in the past. Various transitions in the past. That's your second point. Third point, Foucault felt that explaining the transitions in history is more important. And the fourth and the last point, he called his method the archaeology of knowledge. Okay. So I have completed giving you all the markings till question number 3. Okay. Remaining markings I'll give you all later. Thank you.